Alright guys, I'm pinning the comment for you. Thank you for the gifts. Oh, welcome in. Stitz, welcome in. Alright. It's in my bio. Alright. Hi guys, welcome in. Point of view is definitely better on my fan base live. Thank you for the hand heart. Man, send me the lion. Just kidding. I never got that. Thank you for the roses. Welcome in, guys. Thank you for all of the likes. Oh, welcome in, Jonathan. Thanks. Thank you guys. Alright, let me pin the comment for you all. Thanks guys. Double tap the screen if you want to know where I am. My live intro will tell you. Trying to go back to my other comment so I can pin it. Okay, here it is. Welcome in, JP and Dean. Welcome in. Okay, I don't give a fuck. Because you're annoying. Why do you need to, like, be like that? Bye. You can get out. We're about to do it now and you're not going to be able to see. Welcome in. Any other complaints? Because this is, like, what I'm doing in the morning and this is how I'm doing it, and if you don't like it, you can leave. This is my life. I'm sure you would stay on too if you had that many people. So, anyways, what's up? We're about to get off though now because my live is dying down. But if you guys have my TikTok, you guys can tell people to come here. What's up, guys? Alright, we're gonna be getting off of here now, so if you guys want to go, this is your last chance. Alright. No. We're not doing that here. Alright, I just sent the menu over there. Go where? To my fan base live. I don't have a Twitter. Nope. Nope, fan base. It's in my TikTok bio. Welcome in. That's what it looks like, guys, when you go there and enter. That's how it looks. Or how it should look. Anyways, I just pinned it for you guys. I'm just trying to moderate, guys, all these comments. Okay. No screenshots. If somebody sends me a cheetah, I'll get off right now of TikTok. Make it worth it. If you make it worth it for me, I'll get off. But it's going down. I'm about to get off though. Sorry. Just getting people in this group. Welcome in. Welcome in. And also, welcome in, Trip. What's up, guys? Welcome in.